What's going on, guys? It's Justin here, back for another Summit product highlight and install. Now, when C5 Corvettes came out, they were gawked over on their modern styling, but they came with not so modern headlights, and we're gonna fix that. We have Summit Racing's brand new direct LED replacements for the C5 Corvette, and we're gonna show you how easy they go in. Before we get to that, make sure to like and subscribe to the Summit Racing YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when we post videos like this, engine content, celebrity interviews, and so much more. So enough talking, let's get into it. Let's take a closer look at these C5 replacement headlight housings before we go ahead and install them. Now, these come ready to go with a total redesign of the reflectors that complement the LEDs perfectly. Now, they come with an LED high and low beam, and the cool part about these is, if you can see here, they have a little fan in the back to keep the bulb temperature in check. These things are a night and day difference over the factory bulbs. It's a nice bright white clear light that's really going to guide you down the road over those original yellow bulbs. Now, these things install super easy as well, so let's show you guys that. I do have a quick tip for you guys before you start the install on your own car. I just went ahead and flipped the housings up with the battery still connected, and I grabbed a little blue painter's tape, and I'm just gonna tape the edge here because I'm gonna be doing a lot of screwdriver work and I don't wanna scratch this thing. So, another great tip to help you guys on your reassembly and save yourself some time is take a magic marker and go ahead and lightly outline the bolts that hold the cover on here. That it's gonna make aligning these things and getting the gap correct, again, a breeze. So just a quick tip, but now we're ready for the install. Now, I am gonna manually actuate these with the wheel over here to open and close them, but first we're gonna go ahead and get the cover yanked off. Now, as for tools you're gonna need for this job, it's a very, very light tool load, which we like. So I just got a ratchet and incline screwdriver here with a small Torx bit. I believe this is T15. A 10mm ratcheting wrench is what I recommend, and also a 10mm socket, a couple of small extensions, and a swivel too, and you'll see why we need those here in a minute. Go ahead and crank the headlight up, and to do this you go counterclockwise. And the reason these have manual actuators is just in case there was a failure with the headlight motor, you have to be able to open these things. Gonna pop the front down here and they slide out, and this kind of wiggles out of the way. So once you get this pulled out with the couple Phillips screws, you pull the screw out on this side. Very, very carefully remove the top cover. And you want to be careful with this because this is a painted piece. You don't want to mess it up. So with the cover off, before we go ahead and pull the 3 bolts for the headlight, I'm gonna go ahead and slide this out of the way, and you kind of just gotta work it out. And the nice part about using the headlight adjustment to actuate these is you can manipulate the light into certain situations to make it easier to get out. So I'm just kind of using the screwdriver to hold the ratcheting wrench in place where I want it. Got that one removed. To my combination of extensions, a swivel, and a 10mm socket. An important thing to note here before you remove the headlight is where the high and low beams plug into, so you want to make sure you plug these into the same spot. That one unplugged, and then your headlight comes right out. So we're just gonna go ahead, set this to the side, and get our new headlight ready. Now, one thing to note about doing an LED conversion on an older car is all these came with conventional style bulbs. The thing about LEDs is they have a lot less demand on the system, and sometimes it'll make some things act funky. For example, on C5 Corvettes, when you do a LED headlight conversion, typically a lot of times it doesn't have enough resistance to make the headlight motors close when they're on low beams, and you have to flick it to high beams to get them to close. We have a solution for that coming down the pipeline soon. This is actually our prototype here, and it's simply a relay that plugs in line that gives the LEDs enough resistance to be able to close and open the headlight motors. Some cars need them, some don't. It really depends on the situation. But if you're having this issue with your C5 Corvette when you do a LED headlight conversion, be on the lookout for the Summit Relay Kit. This will fix the whole thing, and it tucks in there really, really nice. It almost looks factory. That being said, let's get our new headlight installed. Another great tip before you go ahead and install your headlights is take one of your factory screws and just start it and run it all the way in the hole. These holes are not tapped from the factory, and if you try to do it while it's sitting in the car, it can be a little bit of a bear. So get it started in the hole, lightly bottom it out, and then unscrew it. Go ahead and do this on all 3 holes. You can see all the plastic dust are brand new threads. Just opposite of our removal, I'm gonna go ahead and start this one by hand. So I have our new retrofit LED housing installed and all the hardware tight. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, get our light bezel up into place, our cover back on, and then we're just about done. We just have the other side to knock out. Before I put this all the way back together, we're gonna go ahead and test this and make sure the high and low beams are in the right spot and we have the plugs plugged in correctly. So headlights, please. So our low beams where we need it, cycle to the high beams, perfect, both light up. So this is good to go, and we can go ahead and reassemble this side. This side is all finished up. We're ready to pull our tape and then knock out the other side. And it's the same as this side, just everything's on the left-hand side. So just follow along. It'll be super, super easy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and crank this headlight back down so I can just check our headlight alignment. So I got this headlight ran down, our tape pulled off, and our alignment looks perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock the other side out, and then let's see what this looks like. Man, these are awesome. Nice, bright white lights, and with the replacement housings, you get that nice line that everybody loves with the LEDs. I know you guys can't see it right now, but you're just gonna have to trust me. Anyway, these are available at summitracing.com right now, but if you have some questions or you'd rather order over the phone, make sure to call into our sales department because the folks over there will be able to get you taken care of. But until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and the golden question is, what are you working on?